Is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the home of the 5-minute YouTube. I don't want to bore you and I don't want to fall asleep. I'm a former, not a former agent. I told you that. I have been, I worked at IRS over a decade. I have been in private practice for 40 years. You add up those two numbers and that makes me old. Anyway, what I am going to do is, oh, by the way, I'm available for free consultations or representation, but my YouTube channel is for you to get information, for you to make a decision. Sometimes I educate you, or I just tell you some information that you need to know. And today we're going to be talking about IRS audits and what popped your tax return out for a review. There's many reasons IRS a tax return can be pulled for a review. The number one reason is the DIF score, DIS, or Discriminatory Index Function Score. There's a lot of reasons. IRS could be doing a special project, something really popped out. They audited someone's return, they looked at yours, someone turned you in. I could give you 100 reasons why your return was pulled for audit, but the number one reason is because of your DIF score. The DIF score is a number that IRS has. It's a secret number. It's a series of algorithms that they keep where actually the algorithms go through your entire tax return. They go through your return and flags pull up on certain numbers. So key numbers are put in your profile, such as your adjusted gross income, your tax credits, your every deduction you take, every exemption you take, every business income, business expenses, and they all have to make sense. They all have to fit into certain into certain areas that the national norm has. That's what happens. So when that algorithm and that computer scan your return, it prints out internal reports that shows areas that are falling out of the national standard. Now, you could have 1, 2, 3, you can have many of them. Some may be 1 over, some may be 10 over, some may be 15 over, but the computer starts picking up trends. So they're comparing your norm to everyone else's norm. And when those norm exceeds certain numbers, the IRS algorithms feel that you are audit worthy. And that's when they go ahead and start looking at your return closer. Generally, they'll put batches of returns together and they'll have IRS auditors come over and to the service center and look at these tax returns and see which one really are worthy or not. Remember, IRS wants low-hanging fruit. So you can have one item there that just skews everything, but that doesn't mean they're going to pull your return. The algorithm itself adjusts every year, so they get it down better and better every single year. Why your return will be posted, and they really are getting good. Before, they would get a gun and shoot it up in the air and hope they would hit a flock of birds. But now what they will do, they will find 3, 4, or 5, 6 things and send that out for an IRS audit. So the DIF score, the Discriminatory Index Function Score, is the main indicator. Like I said, your return could be pulled for many, many reasons. I could give you 20 right now. But the number one reason is you fall out of the national standards and the IRS algorithms. By the way, if this information was helpful, there's a bell there. You hit the bell, and that leaves me a subscription. I need those because YouTube says I need them. So if you could help me by doing that, if you have a question, you comment, you're getting audited, I can help you. God, we have a team of former IRS agents. We can keep you out of trouble, but at least give me a little bell today. And if you have questions, you can leave it or comments. I'm happy to get back with you. Thank you.